Gimana kabar semuanya? Bertemu dengan Miss Prapti di Prapti Side Channel yang membahas tentang materi pelajaran bahasa Inggris dan hal-hal yang berkaitan dengan ilmu pengetahuan. Chapter 10, materi In Time in a Life, relate to recount text. Recount text biasanya kita temukan untuk senior high school grade 10 dan juga junior high school grade 9. Well guys, we'll listen the material and enjoy the listening. Recount. Recount is a piece of text that retells past events, usually in the order in which they happen. Listening to recount is listening about something that has happened in your life, what you did at the weekend, or exciting things. The purpose of recount is to give a description of what occurred and when it occurred. Recount atau kita bisa menyampaikan bahwa sesuatu yang kita sudah kerjakan sebagai suatu cerita bisa kita ceritakan kembali kepada hayalak atau kepada orang lain, tapi berupa teks. Ini adalah recount. A piece of text that retells, yaitu teks yang menceritakan kembali tentang sebuah event atau kejadian yang sudah kita lakukan, usually in the order in which they happens. Biasanya terjadi suatu kegiatan tetapi di akhir ceritanya itu mengesankan, atau ada moral value from that story, atau sesuatu yang menyedihkan sekalipun kita bisa ceritakan kembali. Listening to recount is listening about something that had happened in your life, what you did at weekend, or exciting things. Sesuatu yang menyenangkan. Di recount text itu tidak hanya sesuatu yang menyenangkan, tetapi bisa juga berupa historical, sesuatu yang menceritakan menjadi sebuah sejarah kehidupan atau menjadi sesuatu penemuan, tetapi penemuan tersebut bisa menjadi sesuatu hal yang sangat bermanfaat untuk umat manusia, bisa juga dikatakan sebagai recount text. The purpose of recount is to give a description of what occurred on when it occurred. Tujuan dari recount text itu sendiri adalah memberikan deskripsi tentang sesuatu yang sudah terjadi atau kapan waktu itu terjadi. Types of recounts: personal, biographical, dan juga factual recount. Personal itu yang sebagaimana sih? This is usually retells an event that the writer has personal involved, yaitu suatu kegiatan personality tetapi mengandung unsur yang bisa diceritakan kepada orang lain, tetapi ada sequence of events atau sesuatu hal yang menarik yang bisa disampaikan. Biography recount. This is usually retells accounts of a personal life. Biographical, public figure, fame figure, inventor, or many other. Biographical usually relate to something that's really useful for humankind. Biasanya sesuatu yang diceritakan karena berkaitan dengan umat manusia, tentang penemu misalnya, atau seseorang yang sangat berarti dalam kehidupan manusia, bisnis, sosial, atau ekonomi, dan lain sebagainya. Factual recount, this is records an incidents, example, science experiment, police report, and many other. Factual report itu adalah suatu laporan yang disampaikan atau diceritakan kembali yang berkaitan dengan insiden. Contohnya adalah pengalaman sebuah penemuan, science experiment, kemudian laporan polisi, dan lain sebagainya. Imaginative recount. What is imaginative recount? This is kind of text recount. The writer writes an imaginary role and giving details of events in the recount. Example, a day in the life of pirate. And example, imaginative, it is a kind of recount. Menulis imaginary dan juga memberikan detail tentang sesuatu events dari recount tersebut. Contohnya adalah A Day in Life of Pirate, sebuah cerita dari seorang pirate. Historical recount. Historical recount is this retells historical events in the past. Historical recounts, it may be the example from such like how atau about how hot air balloons invent or maybe how the telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell, and many more. It is example of historical recon. Historical recon relate to something invention or something scientific or many more. Historical recon kadang-kadang biasanya berkaitan dengan sesuatu hal yang berkaitan dengan ilmiah atau penemuan yang mana diceritakan kembali karena fungsinya adalah supaya pembaca mendapat sesuatu informatif yang bagus yang bisa menjadi inspirasi dan juga sebagai pengetahuan. Generic structure of recount: first title, orientation, who were involved in the story and where, so sequence of events, the activity or sequence of steps of the activity, tell what happened in the chronological order, and reorientation is the last paragraph. It called the conclusion of the experience. So when we find generic structure of recount is so simple. First title, orientation is the opening of the text, usually describe or tell about person who were involved in the story, seseorang dari sebuah cerita biografikal atau historical tersebut sebagai pembuka teks, lalu events adalah sequence of kegiatannya dan juga penutup. Pay attention on what must be attention at the recounts. We must pay attention on the tense used on recount text in the past tense. So we find pronouns, noun phrases, time connections, time conjunctions, capitalization, and punctuation. What is pronoun? Pronoun is the subjective pronoun. She, he, I, it, they, you, we are used to the subject of the clause. It is subjective pronoun. Okay, the objective pronouns is change of the nouns from the subject of the pronoun, such him, her, me, it, them, you, us, are used for the adjective or a verb or a preposition. The possessive before a noun, my, his, her, our, their, its, your, and many more. It is used to show possession. And the possessive after a noun, mine, his, hers, theirs, yours, ours, is also used to show possession. It is pronoun. So we can define pronouns as subjective, objective, possessive, and possessive after a noun. Or we can say objective pronouns for the possession atau kepemilikan, mine, his, hers, theirs, yours, and many more. Noun phrases. We also find noun phrases in recount text. A noun phrases can consist of noun and noun. Hockey stick. Hockey stick. It is a stick for the exercise or game in the hockey sport. Adjective noun, such a beautiful girl. There is adjective and there is noun. Girl is a noun or subject, beautiful is an adjective. Noun and adverbial phrases. Example, a girl from his hometown. Noun is a girl for subject, adverbial is from hometown. It is a verb of place, adverb of place. Well, we find also time connectives in recount text. Time connectives can be used to show chronological order. Here are some of the words. Chronological order is connectives that become sequence of steps for connecting between paragraph to next paragraph or between sentence or clause from one clause to another clause. So we can say like here's some connectives are at first, when, afterwards, at this time, meanwhile, no, lastly, after a while, then, soon after, next, before that, and many more. Time conjunction. Time conjunction is time signals that use in the conjunction. In time signal for the simple past, that sentences identified in recount text menggunakan kata keterangan waktu yang digunakan adalah you can use a conjunction to link words, phrases, and clauses. The time conjunction help to show time, cause, position, choice, addition, and effect. Well, in time conjunction we find such words after, lastly, in the morning, at the afternoon, or in the end of the semester, and many more. It is the adverbial or the conjunction of time conjunction. Well guys, mudah-mudahan bisa dipahami materi tentang recount text. Untuk selanjutnya kita akan membahas tentang teks dan juga increasing English for you grade for the students senior high school or junior high school. Maybe enough ya the lesson. Hopefully you understand and happy for the next my contents at Prapti Saidi channel. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.